Watching your favorite late-night spontaneous snapshots and vacation core memories sit completely forgotten inside your smartphone's camera roll, or dealing with a cheap pocket printer that turns your beautiful photos into blurry, waxy, orange-tinted disasters is an absolute nightmare that completely ruins the joy of physical keepsakes. Traditional budget printers trap you with low-quality, heat-activated zero-ink paper that aggressively fades and scratches over time, forcing you to carry bulky electronics that take forever to sync. The Polaroid Hi-Print Plus Paper Bundle, second generation everything box, completely rescues you from washed-out colors and technical frustration, functioning as a high-velocity, pocket-sized visual workstation engineered to transform your digital snaps into professional, life-proof sticker prints in seconds flat. Don't let its impossibly lightweight, sleek 0.55-pound footprint fool you. This white mobile printing powerhouse packs an elite physical imaging core. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its premium 4-pass dye diffusion thermal transfer matrix paired with a 40-photo bundle kit. While competitor pocket devices rely on inferior heat paper that yields fuzzy detail, the second-gen Hi-Print operates on a professional dye-sublimation loop. It runs your 2x3-inch photo cartridge back and forth 4 distinct times, embedding deep layers of cyan, magenta, and yellow dyes before stamping down a clear, defensive laminate overcoat. This high-precision engineering shields your prints from water streaks, fingerprint smudges, and direct UV fading, ensuring your memories maintain vivid, true-to-life 291 dpi detail for decades. Engineered to fit seamlessly into any fast-paced social workflow, this updated second-generation powerhouse introduces an eco-conscious casing made from 30% recycled plastics and a modern, high-speed USB-C charging pipeline. The upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 chipset establishes an instant, rock-solid link to your iOS or Android device, allowing you to use the intuitive Polaroid Hi-Print mobile app to apply custom templates, vibrant text overlays, decorative frames, and custom filters before firing off a print in under 50 seconds. Because the included 40-sheet paper cartridge features an integrated ink ribbon and an all-surface adhesive peel-and stick backing, you can instantly turn your physical images into premium stickers to completely personalize your laptop, phone case, travel journal, or scrapbooks. It is the ultimate, stress-free creative upgrade for digital creators, scrapbooking purists, and memory keepers who demand elite color accuracy, heavy-duty durability, and effortless, go-anywhere portability. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best bundle price on this second-gen white printer plus 40 photo kit. Drop a comment letting me know if you are grabbing this Hi-Print to customize your travel journal or to print out instant party favors for your friends. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart creative tech showcases, mobile accessory reviews, and ultimate gear breakdowns. And I will see you in the next video.